Hey, welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna go over all of my bad experience with my Note 3, my Note 4, and then my LG V10. What I have been through with all this overheating, freezing, lagging, battery issues, apps, and then boot loops. Okay. So first of all, I have this Samsung Note 3, and then my battery restarts when it is about 15 or 20%, and it shuts off. The battery shuts off and then restart. Rebooting issues. Okay, and right here I'm just going to do some tests for you guys. These are the two of the Note 3 batteries that I have. I'm going to move all this battery out of the way. This is the LG V10 battery, and then two of these are the Samsung Note 4 original batteries. So normally when you have a good battery, the battery will not allow you to spin on the flat surface. Okay, and this battery, if you keep on charging your battery overnight and you don't unplug it after it's fully charged, it's gonna get swelled up like this and then bulge. So as you can see, I can spin the battery like a fidget spinner. Okay, on both sides. And then this is the second one that I have. It's doing the same thing. Because I constantly use my Note 3 and then my Note 4 for the surveillance camera, which is I use the app. And even though I put those two on the battery saving mode, but the charger keep on charging. I'll keep on having power to charge the battery, and sometimes it gets heat up, and then it bulge out like this. Okay. So first of all, you want to go ahead and inspect your charger. I know the Note 3 doesn't come with a fast charging. Adaptive fast charger. The Note 4 does, and even though I turn off the fast charging on my phone, unfortunately the adapter, it is 2.1 amp versus 1.0. So after I discovered that my first battery went bad because of the fast charging on my phone, so I turned that off. And then unfortunately, when I use a fast charger adapter, and it also damaged my second batteries. So here's a test for both of the Note 4 battery. As you can see, it's spinning like crazy. Well, actually, the one in the case, this is the first battery. That's why it is pretty bulged out. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I have the third battery. If you guys missed my videos on that, you could check out or search under my channel. So this was the case for my Note 4. And then this is the third battery that was in it. So I'm not sure if this was the original one or fake one. So first, second, and then third. So as you can see, this one's been and it's pretty fat. And this third battery, it causes my separation. Somehow it was sandwiched in between the battery door and then the screen. And when this thing got expanded, I can't even put it in anymore. I'm not gonna put it in because it's gonna push up my screen. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but you push up like that, and then it separate my screen from the bezel or the frame. So let me test you a rebooting issue. See, as you can see, I put in this battery, and then it still bulge out like that. Even on the Note 3 as well. See how I cannot push in? If I push in, and if I keep on charging it, the battery is going to keep on expanding, and it's going to separate my Note 3 screen as well. And you don't want to do that because if you keep on charging it, it might bend your main board, okay? And it might also cause separation for your GPU or your CPU, separation from the main board or circuit board. So when I try to turn this on, and then it's keep on having a restart issue. See, it just restarted by itself. So if you have a Note 3 or Note 4, and that would be the battery that causing this rebooting issue. See, it's doing that again. Unless I plug my Note 4 into a portable charger, and then somehow it's gonna stop doing that. See, somehow it just shuts off and it's charging. Let me try to turn it on and see. With the see, it shows 71%, and it was rebooting. It was in a boot loop. So while that thing is turning on, let me also talk about my LG V10, what I have experienced. The LG V10 is that at first it wasn't about the battery issues, okay? I was using this LG V10 to go travel and using the GPS. And I guess the LCD, it got hot. And on the back of the volume rocker right here and near the power button, it got so hot. And then after I come back from vacation, I try to transfer a picture here and there. Somehow it's restarting this and that. And then, as you know, LG V10 they're having so much problem with their boot loop, and it was causing from certain manufacture date. I guess that was the first manufacture date that it got released. I forgot what year. I mean, I think November 2016 or something like that. When it got first released, it was have a bad batch or something. And then after that, I tried to keep on rebooting. It got stuck on the LG logo. Like, let me see if I can try to turn it on. You got a restore and got the LG logo on there, and it got stuck there. It just won't do anything after I power on and off and everything. And then all of a sudden, I try to go into safe mode or recovery mode. It just keep on restarting itself over and over again. And then I contact AT&T. It was on the 11th month of my out of the 2-year contract. And then after all this troubleshooting, they decide to send me a refurbished phone. So after I got the refurbished phone, and then I did some of the research online. So I learned my lesson. So whenever I use my GPS or the navigation, I unplug the charger out of my phone, and then turn the LCD brightness lower. If your LCD brightness is on the very highest, due to the outdoor, if you set on auto, it's going to automatically turn to the highest brightness, and that would cause your GPU and your CPU overheated, and while you were charging your phone as well, and then that's going to make your phone very, very hot. So you could avoid that by not charging your phone while using the navigation, and then turn your brightness low. So I'm going to go over real quick. When you buy the batteries out there are so many sellers out there, either on Amazon, eBay, or whatever website online that you buy from or through. Most likely they are going to sell you a fake replica or copy of the batteries. And with those kind of battery, you will most likely give you like a restart issues again, and battery would not hold the charge, okay, compared to your original battery. So let's go ahead and turn this on real quick. So for the Note, the Samsung Note, if you want to go into safe mode, you're going to press power and then the volume down. And while the phone boot up, you're going to let go of the power and then pressing the volume down. And then that should take you into safe mode. Well, I guess not, because keep on restarting. But that's how you go into safe mode. When you go into the safe mode, you will be disable all the third-party apps out there. Okay? And that would see if the application is causing your phone to reboot, freeze, lagging, or boot loop. And then for the LG, you do the same thing, press your power button and then your volume down while at the same time until you see safe mode. So after that, if you change your battery and look at your charger, if everything check out correctly, then last problem you want to go with it is to do like a master reset. Unless you cannot do the master reset, that means your hardware has hardware failure. Okay, that means either the GPU or your CPU chip got desoldered from your main board or your circuit board, or overheating, and this would require professional service center to fix your phone for you, and then they probably need to add more of the thermal paste onto those chips because due to overheating. All right, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. So these are all the problems I have encountered with my Samsung and LG phone. Although I know there are Apples out there is having the same problem with their battery because it got swelled up, and then it will either crack their screen or got set on fire while they're charging on their bed while they're sleeping. And some of those people got burned on their legs or on their back while they're sleeping on it. Anyway, hopefully this will help you troubleshoot your rebooting issue, your phone freeze up, boot loop, all this problem. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.